phone.
G4 is sitting there, really good.
The G2 Pro! 77 kilometers per hour! Hey chat, I'm moving to the service for an tire change. They called me and said, I have some brand new tires for you. They wanted me to test them because they know what type of driver I am. And yeah, let's go to the service. I'm with my friends, Mario and Raul with the G4. Okay, we arrived. These are the tires. I have to choose one and I don't know which one. Both are beautiful.
Ciao, man. How are you?
Good.
Good. Hard decision, huh?
Yeah,
You have to pick one and test them. See how they feel, how they are.
they both look good.
And if you like them, we'll bring more and we'll start selling them.
Perfect. Okay, I decided to go with these tires because I think they look better. Look at them, how beautiful they are. These tires are still in the testing phase, so they are not available for sale yet. Once I've tested them and I confirm they are good, we'll add them to our stock and make them available for purchase. On the wall you can see where to find us.
You're gonna fly with them, you know, you're like a go, bro, you're not gonna fall, no, okay, they're the best tires ever, you know, never fall, no.
We did not even test them.
I know it already, bro.
Yeah, he was right, you'll see later in this video. And the tire is off. And the tire is on. The process is the same for the rear motor, so there is no point of showing it again. Let's move on to the testing. Now he's testing them. Look how amazing they are. First impression, my scooter is leaning more. First turn, let's see. Up. Whoa! How smooth they are! Let's check. Up. Much better than stock tires. They are working great. I love them. Wheelie test is going to go sideways when I'm wheeling. Chat is more easier to turn when I'm doing wheelies. Whoa. That was the most craziest thing I ever did in my life. Now I'm hopping onto the jet ski. They are the best, trust me. Come here to Mangalia. I don't know which beach, but you'll see it's there. Thank you Crazy Jet for everything. You're the best. If you want to do some reservations, there is the number. Fac și loc, putem cu parcare. Chat, I'm on my G4. I'm moving towards the ride out. Last year we were so many people. This year I think we will be even more. It's very windy outside today. I'm gonna meet with some friends. Okay, I'm here. Okay, I'm leading the ride out. The G4 feels weird today. The tires. No, my phone. Yo, my phone. No. It's okay. I should put it in my backpack. He's doing a burnout. I've tested my tires. They are really good. 67 kilometers per hour in turns. With stock tires, no. But these tires are really good. Look, chat. The sea. Chat, look at this place. Whoa. Chat, look at this.
The G4 is sitting there, really good.
Wow. Chat, look at these scooters. My friend arrived. Look at this G4. Nice build. Long time no see.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Look at this pocket bike. When I was little, a mini bike like that, it was my dream. Everyone is pulling wheelies. The tires are doing great. The G2 Pro. Bro is police. Everything is random. Let's do a top speed run. $77. 77 kilometers per hour! My brake is losing oil. I hate that. I think I will need some new brake. A BMW Cup car, it's after us. I think this is the most amazing thing I did. Except the Transalpina ride with the Cabu. That was even better. Rolls Royce! Rolls Royce! Who said Romanians are poor? Rolls Royce. Yeah, I really don't know where I am, but I think I'm really far away from my home. But this place is amazing. Whoa, 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 whoa. You are okay? Let's go. He's okay. Bro, in front of me, he crashed. I don't know what happened to my brake. I really don't know. Yesterday it was working perfect. Today, I know what's my problem with the brake. My piston, my brake piston. Nope, it wasn't that. My brake line was snapped and bended. That's why my brake failed. It wasn't the brake fault, it was my fault. Police! Okay, that was the ride out. My G4 is cooked. It's making some weird noises, but it's okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye!